The brain may devise laws for the brain. First, there is a Neapolitan plan. She says, because God made him, we will let him pass for a man. We will let him go as a man. But in truth, I know it is a sin to be a mocker. She says, each man is made by God. I have no right to comment, or in fact, it is a sin to comment, to mock, or to imitate someone. It is a sin. But why he hath a horse better than the Neapolitans, a better bad habit of frowning than the Count Palatine. He is every man in no man. If a throstle sing, let me explain you this much. She says, I know it is wrong to imitate others, to insult others. But this fellow, French lord, he is attached to his horse. This fellow, French lord, is attached or is attracted to his horse more than the Prince of Naples. This fellow, French lord, frowns his face, or he has such a dead expression on his face more than the Count Palatine. In fact, this fellow, French lord, has everybody else's characteristics, but no personality of his own. She says, this French lord, he talks only about his horse more than the Prince of Naples. He keeps his face so sullen more than the Count Palatine. In fact, according to Portia, this fellow French lord has all सबका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है उसके अंदर, मगर उसका खुद का कोई पर्सनालिटी नहीं है. She further says, he is every man in no man. If a throstle sing, he falls straight a comparing, he will fence with his own shadow if I should marry him. She says, if he hears a thrush sing, dear children, throstle means thrush. Thrush is the name of a bird. I repeat, throstle, underline throstle, right on the top, thrush, Thrush. Thrush is the name of a bird. Okay, so in short, if this French lord will hear a thrush sing, he would just fear, डर के मारे, he would jump about and he would draw his sword, he would just take out his sword against his own shadow. If I were to marry him, it would be like getting married to 20 husbands. She says, if at all this fellow, the French lord, even if he will hear a bird singing, he would just be frightened. He would jump from his place and he would just take out his sword just to fight with his own shadow. And if I have to marry this fellow, then it will be equal to marrying 20 husbands.